Let's begin by introducing the supply parts and hardware. We have right side, left side, Pannier racks, as well as a cross brace. And then 4 M6 by 20 millimeter long bolts plus washers plus nylock nuts, 4 M8 by 25 millimeter long bolts, and then 2 open-ended spacers, 2 tall spacers, and then 2 M8 by 80 millimeter long bolts, and 2 M8 by 70 millimeter long bolts plus washers. Tools, 10 millimeter wrench or spanner, ratchet plus extension, and 5 and 6 millimeter Allen bits. You can remove the foot pegs completely. Do not put the bolts all the way in. Leave some space so you can slip the front brackets of the Pannier racks into the space. And then first the M8 by 80 millimeter long bolts, and at the back the M8 by 70s. Also, please note that we drilled holes into the plastic panels. You don't have to put the plastic panels back on, but if you do so, you got to drill holes. Okay, we can repeat the same thing on the other side. Slide the front bracket in place, and then put the M8 by 70 millimeter long bolt and the spacer. And then up front, the 8 by 80 millimeter long bolt plus washer and the tall spacer. Only turn these bolts once or twice, leave the whole structure loose, and then you can slip the open-ended spacer in place, like so, and then you can move on to installing the cross brace, as shown here. Get those M6 by 20 millimeter long bolts, washers, and nylock nuts. And once all the bolts and nuts are in place, you can begin to gradually tighten all of them. The torque specs for the 6 millimeter diameter bolts is 10 Newton meter, and for the M8, the 8 millimeter diameter bolts, it's 23 Newton meters. We also recommend that you go out for a test ride, and after the test ride, double check all the bolts and nuts once again. Should you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us via email, info@outbackmototech.com, or you can call toll free 877-931-3636. Thank you for watching.